Today, let's explore the role of the assistant manager in a cruise ship spa. This position is vital for ensuring that operations run smoothly and the guests have a memorable experience during their time on board. The assistant manager acts as a key support to the spa manager, providing both leadership and operational services across various facets of the spa. My name is Cavill, and this is Tweak Motion. First and foremost, guest service is a primary responsibility of the assistant manager. This involves maintaining a high level of guest satisfaction by providing outstanding service at all times. It's essential to warmly greet guests as they arrive, making them feel valued right from the start. Part of this role includes conducting guest consultations to offer personalized treatment recommendations. Handling any guest complaints discreetly and efficiently is crucial as well. By resolving issues quickly, the assistant manager helps maintain the spa's reputation. Monitoring guest feedback through surveys and other means helps identify trends that could enhance the service experience further. Now, let's discuss the aspect of team leadership and supervision. An assistant manager is instrumental in supervising the spa staff, which includes therapists, nail technicians, hairstylists, massage therapists, receptionists, and fitness staff. They conduct daily briefing to set the tone for the day, focusing on service goals and motivating the team to excel. One of the important tasks is to provide ongoing coaching to staff on sales techniques and customer engagement skills. This role also involves onboarding new team members, ensuring they are trained and integrated effectively into the team culture. When the spa manager is unavailable, the assistant manager steps into their shoes, ensuring continuity in leadership. Another critical responsibility of the assistant manager is driving sales and revenue generation. Achieving sales targets is crucial for the spa's success, and the assistant manager plays a significant role in this area. They monitor sales performance across services, packages, and retail items, supporting staff in refining their consultation and upselling techniques. By leading by example and engaging with guests about products and services, they help the entire team to perform better. The assistant manager collaborates with the spa manager to brainstorm marketing strategies, including promotions and special offers, to entice guests into trying more services or products. Operations and administration are also key components of this role. The assistant manager assists with staff scheduling, ensuring that shifts are planned according to peak business times and that team members have adequate rest. They also oversee inventory management, conducting regular counts of products and supplies to keep everything well stocked. Another administrative responsibility includes ensuring that treatment rooms and other spa areas are clean and well maintained at all times. The assistant manager also checks that the reception area runs smoothly by monitoring the booking system and handling financial transactions. Compliance with safety regulations is an essential part of the assistant manager's duty. They are responsible for enforcing health protocols related to hygiene and safety in accordance with maritime regulations. It's crucial that all staff are well versed in sterilization and sanitation practices. Regular monitoring of the cleanliness of treatment rooms is required, and any maintenance issues, be it plumbing or equipment, need to be promptly reported to technical teams. Participation in ship safety drills is also a requirement, ensuring that all staff are prepared for emergencies. Collaborating with other departments on the ship is another vital aspect of the assistant manager's role. Coordination with guest service is essential for addressing any special requests or managing VIP guest bookings. It's also important to communicate with the housekeeping team to ensure that the spa areas is always clean and presentable. If spa-related promotions coincide with shore excursions, the assistant manager works closely with the shore excursion team to align efforts. The assistant manager serves as a strategic support for the spa manager. They help achieve profitability targets for the spa and contribute to planning incentives for the team based on sales performance. Providing insights regarding trends, team morale, and operational challenges helps the spa manager adjust strategies and improve the overall functioning of the spa. In summary, the assistant manager of a cruise ship spa is much more than just a backup for the spa manager. They are a dynamic leader, driving sales, managing operations, and ensuring an unparalleled guest experience. Through their hands-on leadership, they play a crucial role in maintaining the highest standards of service and operation expected in a luxury spa environment at sea. Whether it's supervising staff, driving sales, or ensuring compliance with health standards, the assistant manager is key to delivering a top-tier experience for every guest on board. If you have found this information insightful and informative, please like, subscribe, and share my content with like-minded people. See you next time. Bon voyage.